Hi, this is Paul Feuerstein, Technology Editor of Dentistry Today. I'm here with Carl Francis. Carl, how are you doing?
Doing great, and yourself?
And Carl is here with a company called PREAT, which I never heard of, but we're going to learn a little bit about it in a few seconds. And what is your position here at PREAT?
So I am the Vice President of Business Development at PREAT.
Okay, so PREAT is something to do with implants. And the way I found out about PREAT was I sent a case to my laboratory. I had a very complicated Locator case. It was kind of a case like this. And the surgeon who did it for me left me a very long cuff to work with, and I was didn't know what to do. So I went to the manufacturer's website, and I could not figure out what in the world component I needed to make this overdenture. And the laboratory said, well, why don't you go to PREAT's catalog? And I said, who's PREAT? He said, it's PREAT.com, P-R-E-A-T.com. So I went over to PREAT's catalog, and there I found, not only did I find the implant, I found the component, photographs of the component, measurements, pictures, procedural things. It was amazing. Tell me about that. So what do you guys do?
Sure. So we have restorative solutions for just about all of your implant needs. So we work with every single implant company out there. So whether you use Nobel, Straumann, 3i, Astra, we have components for all of them. So we have your impression copings, multi-unit abutments, even easy stuff like aesthetic abutments.
That's great. So as a GP now, if I'm doing my own cases, can I order direct from you, or do I have to go to my laboratory? Because again, you're not a household name to me.
Sure. Well, we've actually been selling through dental labs for a long, long time. There's thousands of dental labs that work with us on a yearly basis, and we are just kind of introducing ourselves to the GP market.
Oh, I see. So you've always been working with the laboratories, prostheticists, I assume?
Absolutely, yes.
And you do some instructional work also with the laboratories?
Sure, we give courses both to dentists and labs. We work with residency programs all across the U.S., and we also have our CEOs on the road many, many weeks in a year, and he gives lots of symposiums as well.
So if I'm doing a case with a specific implant, I need a certain type of abutment, a screw, an impression coping, something like that, I just go into your catalog or call you on. Can I call you on the phone?
Without a doubt, yeah. You're more than welcome to call us on the phone, or you can even upload a picture to us, and we'll tell you if you don't know what type of implant it is, or if you don't know what type of screw it is. We'll tell you what it is.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
And then I understand you also have a design center of some sort where you do 3D design for example, for bars and for complicated cases. How does that work?
That's right, we do. This is a 3D titanium printed bar. It is a printed bar, so this is not a milled. This is not a milled deal. This is a little laser that builds up the little titanium particles inch by inch, and it starts from essentially nothing, and what you get is a beautiful prism design 3D CAD/CAM bar. It's beautiful.
And who does you do the design?
We do all the design.
We'll
walk you through it.
You don't print it yourselves, I assume.
Yeah, we work with a company in Belgium. Yes.
That's pretty good.
Yep.
So basically, you're a full service lab to the lab.
Absolutely. Yeah, we are the provider for almost all labs.
Wow, I mean, this is great, because one of the most confusing things to most dentists in this, as they're getting into this whole system, is how do you take the impression, how do you get the abutment properly, how do you align it properly, do you need custom abutments, do you need this, do you need that, and this is what you're all about.
Absolutely, yeah.
Boy.
If you just visit us at PREAT.com, you'll be able to find all of those type of troubleshooting type of materials.
Well, this is great, and it's going to save me a couple of dollars, I guess, too.
It
is.
is.
Using your cases, as long as the laboratory tells me that they're not using the premium product from the main company.
Right, absolutely, yeah.
That's great. Well, Kyle, terrific.
Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.
Appreciate it.